would just drop it right
Where's
down.
Justin and Aaron?
Justin. Where's Justin?
You want me to go? Wait, don't do it till he's out here to look. Where is he? Oh my God. Oh my God. Did you get it all the way up?
Yep.
In the sky?
Uh-huh.
That way, bust it. Right. So back up. Tip it over. Grab it low. Yep. Tip it over. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Right. Now you pull this. Put your hand on that one.
Did Noah get wet here?
This past.
He might now.
Right there. And now get this low enough. Now slide up quick. So you push it until it gets on the burnt part. And all these have to be through. And then twist it and hold it. And go like this slowly. Right. Now when you put the air in, you got to grab this with your fingers and then push down. So if you push down hard, the whole thing goes through. Right.
Alright. Mom, you film it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
So squeeze that as hard as you can with your hands, okay? And just keep holding it.
Jonah, move back.
Is it filling or no? Jonah, you're too close. You're too close.
Oh wait, it's sliding in.
Is it sliding in?
Yeah.
Jonah, move back, buddy.
Maybe you should adhesive that.
I should. Can you give me the pliers over there? Air going in. There he goes. Keep going, keep going. You hear it moving?
Yeah.
You sure? You should hear the air going in, like.
Alright, I got it.
There it goes. I see it filling. Keep going.
Oh.
Where'd it go?
Oh my God.
Oh, okay.
That was funny.
65 psi.
Yeah, me too. I got
That's fun.
Closer. We're not going to pull so hot. Alright. Put your hand on top of mine. We're going to fill this up. Right? Okay.
I want to run away.
You can't. Too late. Oh no!
What?